at this. It's a Among Us popper guy. See, it's a fidget toy. You pop these things like that. And I got a pretty sweet one too. And I'm getting a Baby Yoda one tomorrow.
That's awesome.
But I can't make one tomorrow because I'm having friends over. I'm having friends over today, but they're gonna have a sleepover.
Yeah, all weekend, right?
Yeah, all weekend.
What are y'all gonna do all weekend?
I don't know.
Go to the pool, play the Nintendo Switch.
Yeah. Yeah, Smash Bros.
All right, are we gonna do hide and seek with the fidget toys?
Yeah.
Okay, you take the camera and I'll go hide them.
My mom got high fidget toys and we got find them. Okay, YouTube? Okay. You stay there for a second. Let's not go do something. He'll be back in a second. See? Sand. Oh, it's time to go find the fidget toys. I showed them my sand.
Jump down. Oh.
Come on.
All right, go. They're in the living room.
All of them are?
Yeah.
Okay. Come on, YouTube. Let's go. Help me find them? Okay. I don't see him yet.
They're cold.
Oh. Can you keep saying hot and cold?
Mm-hmm. Still cold. Getting warmer. Yep, cold. Warmer. Warmer. Cold. 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 Warmer. Warmer. Hot.
Don't put them where I can see them.
All right, you found one. Find the other one.
The bracelet one hard where I cannot see it.
Yeah, you can't see this one.
Is it in something?
No. Cold. 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 Warm. Cold. Cold. Cold, 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 cold.
When I'm super cold, you say freezing cold.
Freezing cold. Get warm. Get warm. Get hot. Get burning hot.
Out the YouTube. I gotta go party. I'll be back in a second. Stay there.